much time does your team spend adding same attraction to itinerary again and again?
When sightseeing information is scattered across documents, spreadsheets, and all itineraries, that's why Globus CRM includes the Sightseeing Master. Let's open Sightseeing Master. This is your centralized catalog of sightseeing location and points of interest. At the top, you can filter attractions by destination and category, making it easier to find the right experience for every trip. Let's look at the list. Each sightseeing entry includes the destination, attraction name, category, duration, price reference, sub-brand, and status. For example, we can see attractions like the Vatican Museum, Anne Frank House, Sagrada Familia, Colosseum. Need to create a new attraction? Simply click Add Sightseeing. Your team can build a structured library of destinations and experiences that can be reused across multiple itineraries. You can also edit existing entries, update information, or deactivate attractions when needed. Instead of searching through old trip plans, your team can access a centralized sightseeing database whenever they build a new itinerary. Standardize trip planning, reduce repetitive work, and keep sightseeing information organized across your business.
See how Globus CRM helps travel business manage attraction and point of interest more efficiently with Sightseeing Master.